Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Chalk wheels, set the parking brake, and remove any trailer load before starting. Place a jack directly under the axle using a jack rated for the trailer weight. Loosen the lug nuts one turn before lifting the wheel to avoid wheel spin. Raise the trailer 2 to 3 inches higher than the drum clearance needed for removal. Install 2 jack stands under the axle near spring mounts to support the trailer safely. Verify stability by shaking the trailer slightly before removing the wheel entirely. Remove the wheel and set it aside on a clean surface, inspecting studs and lug nuts. Check the drum for a retaining clip or small screws before attempting removal. Tap the drum gently with a rubber mallet around the hub to break corrosion seal. Pull the drum straight off, using a slide hammer only if necessary to avoid brake damage. If the drum remains stuck, back off the star adjuster about 2 to 3 full turns. Remove the brake shoes and hardware with pliers and organized containers for reassembly. Inspect shoe thickness and replace shoes if wear is less than 3/32 of an inch. Check wheel cylinder for leaks and replace or rebuild cylinders showing any brake fluid. Clean the backing plate and remove all rust, dirt, and old grease from contact points. Apply thin high-temperature brake grease sparingly to anchor and contact points only, avoiding shoe surfaces. Reinstall springs and hardware in their original positions, then slide the drum back onto the hub. Adjust the star wheel until a slight drag is felt. Lower the trailer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.